Hi, this is Tim Stringer, and welcome to another weekly tip video. In episode 1070, I shared a few of my favorite Zoom tips. I'm happy to be back to showcase a few more little-known Zoom features that you can use to enhance your Zoom meetings. Let's start by looking at the Vanishing Pen, a new tool that was recently added to Zoom's annotation facility. Let's say I'm giving a presentation and want to highlight something that's on the current slide. I previously started a keynote presentation and I'm ready to share my screen. I'll click the Share Screen button in the toolbar, then double-click the keynote presentation to share it with participants. I see a floating toolbar that gives me access to many of Zoom's features as I'm sharing my screen. I'll click Annotate to display the Annotation toolbar. The screen sharing toolbar is probably going to get in the way, so I'll hide it by clicking More and choosing Hide Floating Meeting Controls. I could have also used the keyboard shortcut Control-Option-Command-H. I can get these floating controls back at any point by pressing the Escape key. I can use the annotation tools to draw on the screen. For example, I can click Draw to reveal a variety of different drawing tools. I'll add a box and an arrow. While these tools can be very helpful, it can also lead to the screen becoming quite cluttered. And unless I make a point of clearing these annotations, they'll still be visible when I advance to the next slide. I'll click the Clear button and clear all of my drawings, and I'll show you another way to annotate your screen. I'll click Spotlight and choose the Vanishing Pen Tool. I can now draw on the screen, and as the name implies, the drawing disappears a short time later. I can change the color and thickness of the pen by clicking the Format button. I'll change the color to orange and make the line a little thicker. When I'm done annotating, I can hide the annotation toolbar by clicking the red X in the annotation toolbar. I'll also press the Escape key to bring back the screen sharing toolbar. It's important to note that by default, participants can also annotate when someone shares their screen. If you don't want them to have this ability, click More and choose Disable Annotation for Others. Unless you re-enable annotation, it will be disabled for everyone except the host and co-host for the rest of the meeting.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.